Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a test call on the Microsoft Teams mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have a couple of options to start testing your call. You can go to the chat section if someone is online in your contacts, or you can start a meeting directly. For this tutorial, let's tap on Meet in the upper right corner of your screen. This will take you to the Meeting section where you can initiate your test call. Next, tap Start Meeting. This option allows you to create an instant meeting without needing to schedule anything in advance, making it perfect for quickly testing your audio and video setup. Before joining the meeting, you'll see options to enable your video, microphone, and speaker. This is a great opportunity to make sure everything is configured properly before you actually enter the call. Toggle these settings according to your preference and what you want to test. Once you've configured your settings, tap Join Now. This will launch you directly into the meeting room where you can begin your test. Now that you're inside the meeting, go ahead and speak to test your microphone, listen to yourself, and check if the audio sounds clear. At the same time, look at your camera preview to ensure your video is working properly and that you're positioned well within the frame. This preview gives you a real-time look at what other participants would see during an actual call. If you want to fully test your camera and audio with another person, you can add participants to the meeting. Just tap Add Participant, then search for a contact who is currently online. This allows you to conduct a more realistic test where you can verify that both your outgoing and incoming audio and video are functioning correctly. Having someone else join can help you identify any issues with sound quality or video clarity that might not be obvious when testing alone. Once you're finished with your test call and are satisfied that everything is working as it should, you can leave the meeting. To do this, tap the red End Call button located at the bottom right of your screen. Then tap Leave to exit the meeting completely. And that's it. You've successfully made a test call on the Microsoft Teams mobile app and verified that your audio and video are working properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.